Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add dynamic wallpapers to your Windows 11 computer. So as you can see, I have one set up right now on my desktop and it's reacting to the way that I move my mouse across my screen. So if you want to set up something similar, all you have to do is download and install a free program that we can find on the Microsoft Store. So let's open up our Microsoft Store right now by opening up our Start menu and let's type in Microsoft Store. Now that that's open, let's go ahead and click on our search bar here at the top and we're going to type in Lively Wallpaper. The one we're interested in should be the first option that we see. And just to make sure you don't get it mixed up with anything else, it's the application by Rox Danister. So instead of open, you're going to see a button that says install right here. So go ahead and click on that and give it a few minutes to download. Once that's done and you've opened the program, this is what the UI should look like. And bundled with Lively Wallpaper is a bunch of dynamic wallpapers that you can freely choose from. So for example, here we have the periodic table, interactive periodic table of elements. It reacts to the way we move our mouse across the screen, and we can even go ahead and click on something in the background. So that's really cool. There are also a bunch of other options. Let's go ahead and go through them real quick. So like I showed you before, there's also the triangles and light, which is overall pretty simple. There are also other ways to add more dynamic wallpapers. All you have to do is click on the plus button here at the top right, and you're most likely going to find an URL for a WebGL object that you can use. So simply copy that URL and type that in here. So it's really easy to look for other wallpapers. All you really have to do is search for something like Lively Wallpaper, Interactive Wallpaper, or Wallpapers for Lively Wallpaper. Once that's done, you're going to have a fully customized and dynamic wallpaper on your Windows machine. So you can also further customize these wallpapers by clicking on the small context menu here and clicking on customize. You can change things like the colors, the number of slices, the distance. So let's say we want to increase that and lower that. As you can see, it's changed the way it looks ever so slightly. So there's a great deal of modularity with these wallpapers, and you should be able to find something that suits your taste very quickly. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.